how to live a courageous life. The shadow behind the flame. It waits there, quiet as breath held in the dark. Not a monster, but a memory. A soft ache, a sacred hesitation. That moment just before the truth breaks free. When the voice quivers, when the hand retreats, when the soul begs to be seen and fears it all the same. This is the fear not of death, but of visibility, of being known too well or not at all, of standing whole before the world and hearing only silence, or worse, laughter. We've been taught to shrink to survive, to fit neatly into the frame, not spill over. Our wild colors, muted. Our truest thoughts, pocketed like forbidden letters. Safety, they say, lies in silence, but the soul was never meant to live in a cage. And so the fire within begins to rattle the bars. Fear, in truth, is not the enemy. It is a companion, a beast at the curtain's edge, guarding the passage to our becoming. And courage? Courage is not loud. It does not always roar. Sometimes it's a whisper, a single word offered into a room thick with judgment. Sometimes it's the hand raised, the truth spoken, the art shared even when the voice shakes. From the Tao, we learn to move like water, gently, persistently. Let courage be soft, not sharp. From the Zen path, we make courage a ritual, to show up again and again, even if unnoticed. And the Stoics teach us to release control, not of outcomes, but of our response, to stand rooted even if misunderstood. In the light of these truths, a moth dares to flutter closer, not to burn, but to be reflected. And in the mirror of the flame, it does not see its ruin, but its radiance. So we walk, not away from fear, but through it. To live a courageous life is not to be without shadow. It is to move with it. To tremble and still speak. To be misunderstood and still show up. This is not the path of the invincible. It is the quiet, holy road of the honest. You can find the full written version of this reflection in the article linked in the video description. If you found value in this reflection, tap the like button. It helps us grow this space for honest healing stories.